My glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty,